Hello, in this video we are going to see how to interact with the object inspector in order to generate events and to manage them, because there are many combinations, so I think it's worth to record a video about that. In order to show it to you, I'm going to split the screen in this side-by-side view so we get more screen space. Let's drop here a simple button. Actually, an event, in case you don't know, is a piece of code that will be executed when something happens. For example, on the button, there is the onClick event. This event will be fired every time the button is clicked. Okay, so that is the definition of an event. In order to generate an event handler for this event, if the event doesn't have a previous value, just double click on it and the event will be generated and the code editor will be focused and the caret is here, so it's ready for you to enter code. Okay, if you press enter or make the event property editor to lose the focus, nothing will happen, because the way to generate an event handler with a default name is by double clicking. It may happen, for example, let's try to do this. Let's copy this event and let's say the button enter and shift control C. Okay, so we are generating a new procedure on our class that matches the default name of an event. If we try to generate that event, it will show a warning telling us that they are not compatible because the parameter list is not compatible. Okay, this is something that the IDE takes care for you. Okay, so the way to generate an event using the keyboard is to enter a new name for your event. My exit event, you press enter and the event is generated and the caret is set right away for you to enter code. Okay, that's the way using the keyboard. And also, if you enter a value here, my value, and you make the property editor to lose the focus, it will generate also the event. There are also check-ins in order to ensure, in the same way as double clicking, that the event that is going to be generated doesn't match with any existing event, and the parameter list is compatible or not. You know, all that handling is performed. If you already have a value on the event handler, what you can do is to double click in order to navigate to the existing event. Okay, this makes you very easy in order to navigate through your code just by double clicking on the value. Okay, and what happens, for example, if I change the value of an existing event? For example, I'm going to rename this to my rename event and press enter. Okay, so this changes to a new name. Okay, my rename event, and we can do another thing, another rename. Okay, and it changes the name of the event. Okay, if we change the name, new name event, and double click on it, the focus will go there. Okay, that's the difference between using enter and double clicking. And finally, if you an event, for example, delete the existing value and press enter, it will be deleted, so that event handler won't be attached anymore. But if you delete the existing value and press and use the double click, that event will be generated. Okay, that's the main difference. Okay, so as you can see, there are many options, but I think they are pretty natural. In order for you to interact with events, it's not only about generating new ones or attaching new ones, but also rename existing ones. Okay, that's the thing. Okay, I hope you like it, and thank you very much.